Hi you guys, it's me, Be Unique. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. If you're returning, you know you guys are awesome. So today's video is going to be an unboxing of... I'm so excited! This month's Boxy Luxe. I'm super happy I got this in the mail. I wish I got it at the same day as my premium, but whatever. So I'm going to keep this video as short as possible. I've already opened up everything. I know what I have touched it, you know, and all that good stuff. This look is what I use to create... I use the items for this look. Excuse me, I cannot talk today. Like, I don't know what's going on. So stay tuned for that video. Today's theme, or the month's theme, I should say, is whimsy. It is the same as the premium, and I'm assuming now the base box. I got variation 23 for those of you who are curious. So let's get started. Okay. The first item is the Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tales Little Briar Rose palette. This is a beautiful, beautiful palette. Highly pigmented matte metallic pearl eyeshadows, cruelty free, 55 bucks. Okay, I love the design. I love how they made it look like a book. I love the look of the eyeshadows. I love that there's a mirror here. When I use the eyeshadows, I'm super disappointed because they didn't blend very well. Things were wiping away. It was a little bit difficult to have it go as it should have gone. So the formula, I'm not too thrilled about at all. Bummer. Would I buy it $55? No. Am I glad I was sent it? Yes, because, you know, it'll be like a decoration piece. But, you know, this is not going to be my palette for me to use. The next item is the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream, $39. I did use this. Excuse me. Oh my gosh. I did use this moisturizer. It is very clear consistency. It does look like a water cream, but it's a little bit thicker than the usual water creams that I use. But still, overall, it was very nice. I like this. It absorbed pretty quick. The next is the Ciate London Confetti Highlighter that retails for $32. I love the packaging. I love this packaging. Like, ugh. I felt like I had to build it up. I love Jeffree Star Cosmetics highlighters. Those are the ones I typically go to. Even the Laura Lee Los Angeles was good. This I had to build up, which is okay. It has its pros and cons, but I'm just used to it being like, hey, you know, I don't know. That's just me. But oh, I still did. I liked it. The next was the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser, $48. I did use this before I did my makeup. It was a little bit closer to the runny side, not too runny, and it did smell like cucumbers and roses. It could be, I don't know what they have in here, but I did like that. The Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick, $21 in the shade Suck It. This is the shade, look, it is on my lips. I liked it, always liked their formula, so I have nothing bad to say about that. Next is the In Beauty Power Up Dual Face Setting Face Mist. Okay, this I used. I did like it. It has a little bit of a scent. Don't know what scent it is. It's not bad. So if you're, you know, weird with scents, just keep that in mind. This retails for $32. I liked it. I have not used it on bare skin. I think it's super cool. It reminds me of a mixed alcoholic beverage. I see green oil or something. I don't know what's in here, but it's super cool. I like this a lot. Next is the Kat Von D Dagger Tattoo Eyeliner. Yeah, I don't like that. It kept poking my eyes. Formula is great. Like the formula, I just don't like the applicator to that. That retails for 20 bucks. Then was the Cosmetics Facial Roller. This was super fun to use. I mean, not super fun, but I've never used like a facial roller. So I did use it, and I thought it was like, it felt cool. Like, I don't know. Would I use this every day in my skin routine? Probably not. But maybe if I needed a massage, I could see me using that for that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. That's just me. I did like this. That retailed for 69 bucks. Whoa. The last item, if I could find it in here, is the Rituals. The Ritual of Sakura Shower Gel, $9.50. It smells really good. I don't know. It smells clean, but florally, and I haven't used it yet. I will later on today. So I look forward to using this. I can't believe this is only $9.50. Like, yeah. Okay. That wraps up the video, you guys. I hope you guys like this video. Please leave a comment down below if you're interested in any of these items. Do you have Boxy Charm, Luxe? Would you get it? Would you want it? Would you buy any of these things? Have you tried any of these things? Let me know. I want to know the details. Also, make sure you guys sting that notification bell. Make sure you come and join my little beehive here with me. Help me pollinate my videos on Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, and wherever else you guys can think of pollinating my videos. Also, hit that notification bell. That way you guys are notified of any future content. And I will catch you guys.